Hey guys, so here we have the vz102505, which would be the Charger Demon hood carbon fiber. We don't have an installation video, but I'm gonna give you an overview of what exactly we did. So we went ahead and did the holes because this one doesn't come with the pre-made holes except the one for the vent. We did the holes for the windshield washers, and then we did the holes for the bottom one so it could hold it in place. And then we also did the holes for the hose, and you'll be using the same clips that came with the hose already, so you don't have to buy that. They just plug and play. We transferred over the latch of the OEM hood onto here. You do have to make the hole a little bit bigger just because the bolt is longer, or you could cut in half the bolt of the OEM latch so it could go ahead and fit into the size that you have the thread for. And you could always refer back to the Challenger Demon hood that we made. The same process that we did on the Challenger will be the same process for this hood. But if you guys check out the red eye hood, which is the vz102506, that one's gonna come with the pre-made hole, so that one's a little bit more expensive since it is just ready to put on hood versus this one. But it's the same type of quality on the carbon fiber, so you're not gonna be missing out on anything. It is pretty easy to do the holes. Since it already has the indentions, all you have to do is go ahead and trim it up. So you have two of these located on the sides. You could go ahead and twist them up or down to help you lower the hood down to sit flush with your bumper and your fenders. This is pretty easy. All you gotta do is either twist it right or left to bring it down. And then once you bring the hood down, you can see that it sits flush with the bumper and the fender. All right, so like I said, it is a pretty easy install. If I was able to do it on the Challenger, which you could refer back to, and I did it on this one too, it does take about 1 hour and 35 minutes, even less. If you have experience, a body shop, I'm pretty sure they could probably do it in 30 minutes. So it's pretty easy. And as you know, like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any other questions. And for the hinges, you still use the same bolts. So it's pretty easy. Make sure to follow our Facebook groups and our Instagram and our Twitter and whatever other pages you guys find out there.